So we'll start by making the double glazed units. Now I'm just going to rebate, put a little rebate in these little frets. So I'm just using some PVC tube which houses like the fibre optic cable. Just tuck that in there. And just where the end comes out there, I'm just going to cut this off. Cut like the, I don't know what you call it, like the little rib. Careful not to cut into the tube. And then this should tuck through the hole we drilled. Back in there. Same again, we'll let this dry. I'm just giving the perspex a final clean down with some, well, it's alcohol, pure alcohol. Should get the last bits of dust off. I've sanded and waxed these frames, and this is going to form as windows. Just equaling it out. I've just set in ever so slightly on the edges, just so I can get some sealant. And now using some clear mastic, I'm going to mastic the edges to seal it in. So we'll set that to one side and let it dry. So now same again, we'll router a groove out to catch the hinges to run the wire through. So these pieces are going to act as the rebate for the glass to go in, and also the top one is a lot bigger, so it hides the workings of the blind. Same again, put this to one side to dry. So there's his wires. I'm just going to tuck it in that hole. Just while we've got the pinner out, I'm just going to ask you guys, if you're a woodworker, could you recommend me a real good pin gun? This one come from Axminster Power Tools, but obviously it's getting a bit worn out now. But if you could leave it in comments below and let us know what you use, and I'll have a look. Just making sure I ain't caught the wires. See, could do with a new one. Now I've got us framed together, I'm using, this is actually a Velux window blind. I use these in the muck spreader when I did that. They work really well. I'm just marking the sides where we're going to wrap a timber round to face the windows. go get these installed and see what they look like. I'm just going to wire these up temporary for the time being.